How to get the new rare Domino's Pizza Yeti Bundle in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Hey, what's up guys, Josh or Fusion here, and welcome back to another Black Ops 7 video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Domino's Pizza Bundle for Black Ops 7. Make sure you guys watch until the end of the video, so you learn how to unlock the new Domino's Bundle inside of Black Ops 7. If you guys want to unlock the Domino's Pizza Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7, you can pick up the bundle right now in the Ko-fi shop. This is what it looks like. We're going to dive more into the bundle in the video. You can't get these from Domino's anymore. This was a limited time promotion. If you guys want to unlock this bundle right now in Black Ops 7, this is a way you can do it. Link for the Domino's Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7 will be in the description and the comments, as well as the card in the top right. Now guys, I'm honestly really hyped for this. Not only did I call the fact that there'd be a Domino's bundle for Black Ops 7, but this is now the third bundle out of my list of predictions that has come true. I honestly think that somebody that works at Treyarch saw my video that I posted back in June. In that video, I talked about all the promotional bundles that I'd like to see for Black Ops 7, and I made a list of all the promotions that I thought we could possibly get. If you guys want to watch that video, it will be linked in the card in the top right. Now for this new Domino's promotion in Black Ops 7, guys, you don't get a skin in the bundle, unfortunately. In the video when I was talking about it, I was theorizing that we'd get a Domino's operator skin for Black Ops 7, and my concept image for it honestly looks so dope. I really wish that they listened and made a Domino's operator skin for Black Ops 7, but I guess we're just gonna have to make do with the Little Caesars Roni Reaper skin. So now for the Domino's Black Ops 7 promotion. The promotion started back on November 7th, 2025, 1 week before Black Ops 7 came out. Absolutely nobody's made a video or talked about this promotion at all. This promotion has just gone under the radar. Basically, this promo was only for Domino's in Australia. Entry is open to all Australian permanent residents aged 18 years or older. The promotion commences on the 7th of November 2025 and closes on the 6th of December 2025. Purchase the bundle to get the new downloadable content each week, and each week Domino's had different rewards that you can unlock for Black Ops 7. For week 1, you got 30 minutes of double weapon XP when you made the order. For week 2, you got the Yeti Bundle, which comes with a calling card, an emblem, and a weapon charm, and this bundle is super rare. When people see you with these items, or if you see someone with these items, it's a rare bundle inside of Black Ops 7, and I know we definitely have a lot of people in the community that are 100%ers that like to have all the rare bundles, all the rare items, so that they can have everything in the game. I see you guys out there. There's a lot of you in our community. For week 3, you'd get 30 minutes of double level XP when you made the order, and on week 4, the final week of the promotion, you get 30 minutes of double weapon XP when you make the order. Unfortunately, week 1, week 3, and week 4 only gave 30 minutes of double XP. Now at this point of me recording this video, you can't make the purchase at Domino's anymore because week 2 is already over. Now like I said, no one was talking about this promotion. I'm not sure why. There was no mention of it from Call of Duty themselves, and I'm not sure why they would only do this promotion for Domino's in Australia when Domino's is an American company. The only theory that I have for that is in the United States, we have laws when it comes to sweepstakes, and there has to be a free way to enter whenever there's any sort of purchase required sweepstakes. But in other countries, that's probably not a law, like Australia, because I see no way to enter into this promotion for free. But of course, the Little Caesars promotion for 2025 that's running in America, there is a free way to enter. The Monster Energy promotion for 2025 that's running in America, also there's a free way to enter. So that makes the most sense to me. They didn't want to have a free way for you to get these items. They wanted to make sure that you made the purchase at Domino's. But I might be wrong. That's just the only theory I could come up with. Make sure you guys let me know your thoughts. I mean, Domino's is literally an American company. Now it says here the Domino's X Call of Duty bundle consists of 1 large value pizza and 2 sides, available for pickup or delivery, offered online only via the Domino's app or website. So just like the Little Caesars promotion for Call of Duty Black Ops 7, when you would make a required purchase in the Domino's app or online, you would then be emailed a code from Domino's that you would enter in on callofduty.com/redeem, and that's how you would then unlock the Yeti bundle for Black Ops 7. Now guys, don't worry, because even though the promotion period to get these codes is over, you can still get these codes. On the Ko-fi shop, you can pick up all the bundles available for Black Ops 6 and now for Black Ops 7. There's new bundles being added almost every day. You can pick up the Monster Energy bundle, the Little Caesars bundle, the EE Mobile/Molar Milch bundle, and now the Domino's Yeti bundle for Black Ops 7. If you guys want to pick up any of these bundles for Black Ops 7, the link will be in the description and the comments. And you can even pick up a code to unlock the new Little Caesars operator skin, Roni Reaper, guaranteed. This way, you can just enter 1 code and you'll guaranteed guaranteed unlock the Little Caesars Roni Reaper skin for Black Ops 7. And new bundles are added almost every day to the Ko-fi shop, so make sure you guys check the website often to get the latest bundles for Black Ops 7. And now all that's left to do is to redeem our Dominos Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7. Now when you get the code sent to you from the Ko-fi shop, there's instructions on how to redeem the code, and you have to come to callofduty.com/redeem. Now the codes are usable anywhere in the world, so you don't have to worry that they're only usable in certain countries, or you have to change the address on your Activision account. The codes will work anywhere, so now that we have the code, paste it into the website and redeem code. And now we unlock the Dominos Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7. In the bundle, you get the Alpine Anger calling card, the Tundra Tantrum Emblem, the Tundra Junior Weapon Charm, as well as 30 minutes of dual XP. Now let's jump into Black Ops 7. I'm going to show you guys where to find your new bundle items, and make sure you guys watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on the Domino's Pizza Yeti Bundle giveaway for Black Ops 7. This year, for every Black Ops 7 video, I'm doing a giveaway. So make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to Fusion here, and turn those post notifications on all so you don't miss whenever there's a new giveaway for Black Ops 7. Now that we're on Black Ops 7, a quick way to check if you got the Domino's bundle in your inventory is by going to the pause menu and going over to your notifications. And as you guys can see, 7 minutes ago, Loco Chicken items have been added to your inventory. Now I'm not sure why it's called Loco Chicken, and it doesn't say Domino's or Yeti or something like that, but if you get this message in your notifications on Black Ops 7, then you know you got the Domino's Yeti Bundle in your game. Now let's head into multiplayer and find where these new items are. You guys can see I currently have the Little Caesars operator for Black Ops 7 on. If you guys want to pick up a guaranteed code for this operator, check out the Ko-fi shop. There's a newer listing on there where you can pick up a guaranteed code for the Little Caesars operator on Black Ops 7 Reaper Roni. The description for her skin says 1 warrior, infinite toppings, total annihilation. Grimm's Reaper Roni operator skin is in command and ready for battle. Now how to find your new Domino's Yeti Bundle in Black Ops 7. Let's first take a look at the new emblem, and then let's look at the new calling card. You want to come over to career and then customize, and then head into emblem. Once you're in here, you want to look for the new Tundra Tantrum emblem, and here it is, guys, this Yeti with the ice below him. Super rare emblem. If anybody has this emblem, they either live in Australia or they were able to pick up a code. Either way, super rare bundle. Now for the calling card, if we back out of here and go into the calling card option, right now I have the reeled in Catfish calling card equipped. I'm going to be making a video on how to get this calling card. It's a super rare and controversial calling card, so if you guys want to learn how to get the reeled in calling card on Black Ops 7, if we get 50 likes on this video, I'll drop that tutorial. Now the calling card for the Yeti Bundle is up here in the top left, the Alpine Anger. It goes perfectly with the emblem and the calling card equipped. It's a perfect match. There's no Domino's branding on the emblem or the calling card, which is disappointing to see. Normally whenever we have these promotion rewards, there's always some sort of brand logo on the rewards, but this year for the Domino's promotion on Black Ops 7, it's not the same way. Now that leaves us with just one reward left for the Yeti Bundle, which is the weapon charm. So let's head to our classes. I'm trying to throw the charm on my Peacekeeper blueprint. I think it's going to look sick on this gun. You want to go into the gunsmith on the gun, go over to customize, one to the right, and now we're gonna head over to accessory, and here it is, the first accessory we have available to use, the Tundra Junior charm. Honestly, this charm is so sick. You have this little Yeti hanging off your gun. If we rotate the gun here, you guys can see how it looks on the gun. Honestly, this has to be one of the coolest Call of Duty charms I've ever seen them have in the game. We did have some really cool ones for Black Ops 6 though. One that I can think of is the charm for the Hella Chill bundle. You had that whole arcade machine hanging from your gun. That one was really sick, but unfortunately there's no Hella Chill rewards. There's no Black Ops 6 promotional rewards that carried over to Black Ops 7, so we got to get all the new promotional bundles for Black Ops 7. How do you guys feel about the Domino's Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7? If you guys want full coverage on the latest free operator bundles for Black Ops 7, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to Fusion here, and turn on post notifications and set them to all. Do you guys like the bundle? Are you going to pick up this bundle for Black Ops 7? I want to hear all your thoughts on the Yeti Bundle in the comments below. If you guys want to win the Domino's Pizza Yeti Bundle for Black Ops 7 for free, the steps to enter the giveaway is first to drop a like on the video, second, subscribe to Fusion here, and third, turn on post notifications and set them to all. Then fourth, drop a comment down below saying W Domino's BO7 Yeti Bundle. And then the last step is to join the community Discord server. This is what it looks like when you first join. You want to select what platforms you play on. Then it's going to ask you what you want to do in the server. Make sure you guys select this option, trade Call of Duty code / find people to play with. You want to hit next, and then it's going to ask you what game specific channels you want. You want to make sure you select Call of Duty in the top left and then hit finish. And then the last step to enter the giveaway, post a screenshot of your comment you left on the video in the COD BO7 channel. I'm going to be picking one of you guys that posts the screenshot in the Discord showing that you dropped a like, you're subscribed, have post notifications on all, and dropped a comment on the video, and the winner will be announced in the next Black Ops 7 video. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next Black Ops 7 giveaway. This is going to be one of those bundles that ends up being rare, guys. Don't sleep on it. And remember, if you want to stay updated on all the latest Call of Duty bundles, make sure you're subscribed to Fusion here. And with all that being said, thank you for watching. This has been Josh or Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.